So I had a less than ideal childhood. In fact, quite honestly, I would describe it as turbulent. My father and my mother got a divorce when I was 10 years old, and for about 5 years didn't have much contact with my dad. And then soon after, my mom died of stage 4 ovarian cancer. And so for most of my childhood, even into middle school and high school, I was trying to figure out, what does it mean to grow from boyhood into manhood? And didn't have a lot of assistance, didn't have a lot of support in that. What's actually ironic about that now, at 50 years old and working at Bowling Green State University, is a lot of my work flows out of that woundedness. So I've actually been thinking a lot about this idea of what it means to be a real man. And I've actually developed an acrostic, REAL, that I'm now sharing with tens of thousands of young men around the country. That a real man rejects passivity and irresponsibility. R. A real man exhibits integrity and honesty. E. A real man, and this is a little countercultural, appreciates connectedness and transparency, is vulnerable and real with others. And L leads intentionally and authentically. So in many ways, I have used the woundedness of my childhood and the lack of what I had to help build for other young men across the country support systems that will actually help them be able to self-conceptualize and figure out and be on the most important journey of their lives, and to figure out, what does it mean to be a man?